You know, I just want to let you know that I never felt this way about anybody else. I think I love you, so don't think I'm crazy when I tell you this. But if you ever hurt me, I'll fucking kill you.
You better go down when you get with me. You better realize I don't what you need. You better get here, back out to three. You better do right, I'll fuck you up. You better go down when you get with me. You better realize I don't what you need. You better get here, back out to three. You better do right, I'll fuck you up. You never thought that a bitch like me would fuck you up. If you cannot please, so you better bow down and get on your knees. Put the diamonds out, give me what I need. Hold up. You see me laughing? You think that is a joke? I'ma start harassing all you little hoes that be trying to pass it. You better tell them I'ma kick their ass in. What? Who are you talking to? You better hang up or I'm through with you. And who the fuck is this bitch on your page with a big ass tits up on your top page? Cause I'm the crazy bitch that's running the game. Cause I'm the crazy bitch that's calling your name. Cause I'm the crazy bitch, I ain't got no shame. I will fuck go down when you get with me. You better realize I don't what you need. You better get here, back out to three. You better do right, I'll fuck you up. You better go down when you get with me. You better realize I don't what you need. You better get here, back out to three. You better do right, I'll fuck you up.
What's up? You on my line? What the fuck did I do to make you feel this way? Girl, I'm stuck between a rock and a hard place. Get out my space. They on top and I'm trying to pop all eight. Take all dates, check all face. Every girl wanna know how the ball tastes. You don't love me, you love my dog. And in the way my pocket's green like Kermit the Frog. Maybe it's the icy neck, my chest is frosty. You would have a heart attack if I left, you lost me. Yeah, to the left with that crazy shit. Please stop whining like a baby, bitch. I'll never cupcake, never pay you, bitch. I love you, but your boy still a player, bitch. Look, you couldn't tame me with a chain and whip. Why I always gotta go for the crazy chicks?